Let's have a look at what's going on with the price of copper. Reached a record high yesterday. Many in the supply chains of major industries will be watching that very, very closely. We require lots of it for the cables, for example, in the government's plans to modernise the electricity grid over the coming years. Professor Maurizio Bragagni is chairman and chief executive of Tratos, which is the manufacturing division of the global cable maker Tratos Group that has UK facilities around the country. Maurizio, good morning. Just explain to us what impact this has when copper reaches a record high on the ability to build the way we want to here.
Well, good morning. Just to give you an idea, the copper in the last 26 years has increased 7 times. So 7 times means a huge amount of cost. And just to give you an idea of the consequence that is going to create, it means that everything at the end is going to cost more. Any infrastructure, any electrification, a data center, renewable energy, AV, battery storage, power grid expansion. So all of that is going to cost more. And just to give you the costing more, it's not connecting to the use more. In the last 25 years, we have seen an increase of from 18 million stones per year of copper use to 31 million copper per year. So 25%, but the value has been increased 7 times.
Maurizio, what do you think that means for the ability to modernise the grid the way the government wants to by 2030?
Well, it means a delay in project, a delay in an increase of cost for the taxpayers, but in particular it means a delay in project because not only the cost has been increased, but the supply chain to receive the copper has been delayed because this geopolitical situation have removed by the equation the copper from Russia, the copper from China. So that means that have reduced the possibility to have a copper and the availability of copper. So in this moment, not only the price, but also the availability of copper on the market has been reduced.
So would you expect the government to be able to reach its targets of that modernisation of the electricity grid that it's had time-wise?
Not with the level of the copper at the moment. Even though we have to consider that the first industrial revolution, the copper was higher in value at that time, but the use of copper was limited. In this moment, copper is basically everywhere. If you think about any modern elements, AI, data center, renewable, solar panel, there is more copper that you need to use it.
Right. Maurizio, thank you for your time. Maurizio Bragagni, the chairman of Tratos there, that global cable maker, and he runs Tratos here in the UK. I'll be back after 7, having a little bit more of a look at what those bond markets might be thinking with the day ahead, particularly with the different options that may be on the table.
Yes, that was a very elegant way of saying we need to watch them very closely today, don't we? Thank you, Sean. It's 28 minutes past 6 now.